What's up, Taylor Gang, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing another review for KC Republic Lashes and Cosmetics.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the mascara and eyeliner set. Just a disclaimer, as you guys can already tell, if you can't already tell, I am under the weather. So my apologies to KC Republic and you guys for my energy not being, where it needs to be, but I really want to show you guys this mascara and eyeliner set. Second disclaimer is I've already recorded this video, so I won't be like opening the package up in this video because I've already recorded a couple days ago. I didn't like the footage, I didn't like my makeup, so I'm gonna do it again because you guys deserve good quality stuff. So this is how it comes. It comes like this. Like I said, it's already opened. It's just a black box mascara and eyeliner set, eyelash extension mascara, and precision eye definer pen. On the back, it says the mascara and eyeliner set is a new duo set that provides a 300% increase in volume to your lashes while still looking completely real and natural. Use the fine tip eyeliner to create mesmerizing looks. So in my last video, I used both products. I used the eyeliner as well as the mascara. Today, I'm going to use the eyeliner, but I think I'm just going to use it to give myself the moles. I don't really wear liquid liner like that. I'm just not that good at it, and I don't want to mess up while I'm trying to show you guys. But as you guys can see, let's start with the eyeliner. It comes like this. It just says lashes and cosmetics.com on it. Matte black packaging. On my hand, it's gonna swatch like this. So it dries matte. I think it dries matte. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's matte. It's pigmented. Let's see, a slow-mo for y'all. I'm not the best, okay? Forgive me. But yeah, I'm not going to I'm not going to use it on my eyes for a wing today. I'm just going to do the moles on my face like I usually do. Okay, so wait, where was I? Oh, that's hideous. Okay, so like I was saying, I'm going to just use this to dry the dots on my face like I usually do. So I have beauty marks on my face, but you guys know when you put on makeup, it covers up the beauty marks. So the first two things I do when I'm putting these on, this is a beauty mark. Well, this is actually a mole right here because it's up on the skin. Oh, wow. My makeup didn't even come off just now. So I redo this one. Just lightly though. It's one right here. I have a beauty mark right here that I redo. We're just gonna I just put random moles on my face. While I'm telling y'all about this, oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my God, that's disgusting. While I'm telling y'all about this, have y'all ever noticed that guys hate these fake moles? Am I the only one? My brother hates when I do this. Like, hates it. He's like, why are you even drawing them moles on your face? And I'm like, nigga, cause it's cute. Let me stop. So when I'm doing these, I always use a felt tip eyeliner pen. I don't use liquid liner to do my moles on my face because with this you just have way more control. Same thing for wing eyeliner. If I wanted to do like just a quick line right here, if I was putting on lashes, maybe I would, but I'm actually not going to put on lashes because I want y'all to see what the mascara is able to do, the 300% is going to do. So I'm not going to put on no lashes, but just for a quick line on the eye, This is very easy control. Make sure you hold it in the middle just so you can have the most control. You're gonna have the most control over any brush holding it in the middle. So moving on to the mascara, we're just going to pop this on. HD Lashes Mascara Black. It has the ingredients, and on the front it just says eyelash extension mascara, lashes and cosmetics.com. I do want to mention this mascara is waterproof and it is safe for eyelashes, and wow, hold on. You Oh no. Is it still recording? Like I was saying before, I was really interrupted by my hating ass earring. The mascara comes in this black tube right here. It says HD Lashes Mascara Black on the back. On the front, it just says eyelash extension mascara, lashes and cosmetics.com. Like I was saying, this is waterproof and you can use it on eyelash extensions. When I originally recorded this video a couple of days ago, I did have on a few eyelash extensions, but y'all know after a while, you need a feel, sis. And you gonna start looking crazy, and I was looking crazy. So I'm glad I'm able to show you guys on my natural lashes what this mascara can do. I'm a lashes girl, but I can go without lashes if I wanted to, if I really wanted to put on some mascara and like, you know. So I'm gonna go without lashes today because I'm sick and I don't really, you know, I mean, you don't always need them. This is more like a natural makeup look I have anyway, so putting on lashes will kind of just do too much. That was very easy. I just, like I said, I just took out my lash extensions. I didn't take them out, but you know, they fell out. I was picking at them. So I do have like a really sparse area right here. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but that's what it is. I clearly was pulling them out right there like it's a whole hole. So don't even look at that. Focus on this eye. Yeah, so that's what the mascara did. Let's do the bottom. So yeah, this just kind of opened my eyes up. It made me look a little more awake. I know I'm sick, so I don't really look the most energetic. I don't sound energetic, but it did open my eyes up. I really like it. This is cute for like an everyday. My makeup today is simple. Yeah, it's not too much makeup. The eyeshadow isn't too much. So just wearing straight up mascara is perfect for days when you kind of aren't doing a full beat and you know, you gotta go to work or you just going somewhere quick and you don't have to. I would say try mascara if you're not into lashes. It just really makes a difference. Like, it makes such a subtle difference, but it's still there, you know. So you guys try it. Once again, like the last time I did get these products off of Amazon. They do have a website, of course, but I got mine off of Amazon. This is a good set if you're a beginner, a learner, if you're in the market for mascara and eyeliner pen. I would recommend this one. You guys see how it's swatched. It's matte black. It's easy to use. I did use it in my last video on my actual eye and it was easy to use. I can't do it today, you guys. I don't feel good. So, but it was easy to use. If the footage wasn't as trash as it is, I would insert it. Maybe I can try and finesse it and insert it so you guys can see and know that I actually have used this product on my eyes. But like I said, it is very easy to use. I don't usually use these felt tip eyeliner pens on my eyes, but I did use it the other day and it was easy, and I created like a little baby wing, but that's neither here nor there. You guys be sure to shop with KC Republic. Another thank you to them for working with me again on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review. I will leave the links down in the description box for where you can purchase this set. And it's very, very inexpensive, trust me, okay? I think it was 12 bucks on Amazon, so be sure to check it out. Click the links. You guys be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment down below. If you don't want to leave me a video idea comment, leave me a comment on what the hell medicine I'm supposed to be taking to get rid of whatever this is, because I don't want it no more. But other than that, my social media handles will be on the screen after this one. Be sure to follow me on there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. What? I have to redo my whole shoot? Oh, no. Yeah, so if you guys do like my hair, this is from the Good brand. We will be launching hair soon. My website should be launching soon. I have to redo my whole photo shoot because the pictures just came out a mess. I have to find a whole new photographer and everything, so that kind of pushed it back. I really wanted to be able to launch by my birthday, but it's okay. God said that's not the right timing, so I'm hopefully pushing for around Christmas time. Oh my God, that would be so amazing. But if you guys like it, be sure to follow my business page. I'll leave that information in the description box as well. My social medias, my personal pages will be, excuse me, my personal pages will be on the next screen after this one. I just wanted to pop back in and self-promote, honey, okay? I don't have any of my lashes on right now, but you guys can shop my mink lash line as well. I think I'm just gonna revamp everything at the top of the year, and yeah, I'm just selling out all my lashes, and then I'm gonna do a whole new everything. So be sure to shop those online, and yeah, I think that's it. Hopefully my next video I'll be feeling a little better. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. It's fucking freezing. I don't understand why it's so cold in the D. It's so cold in the D. How the fuck are we supposed to keep peace? I don't even know what she said.